traveling and exploring a few words that you don't dream for, but only the rarest of the people actually do it. What would be the significance if it was done on two wheels? So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, so today on our channel we have the Triumph Thunderbird LT.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
The Triumph Thunderbird LT is a premium version of the Thunderbird Storm and comes loaded with a long list of creature comforts for a better touring experience. It is the third cruiser in Triumph's Indian lineup and slots in between the Thunderbird Storm and the massive Rocket 3. The Thunderbird LT gets acres of chrome with a blacked out look, leather saddlebags, white-walled radial tires, a 3-piece headlamp, a chromed 2x1x2 exhaust system, wire-spoke wheels, and a tall windshield, all of which give it massive street presence. The low seat height of 700 mm ensures that the Thunderbird can accommodate riders of all sizes, and the snug seats and passenger backrest and a floorboard makes the Thunderbird LT a very comfortable cruiser. It also gets a massive 21.9-liter fuel tank to ensure a longer range. The Thunderbird LT is built around a tubular steel twin-spine frame powered by the world's largest production parallel twin engine, which is shared with its sibling, the Thunderbird Storm. The fuel-injected 1699cc engine churns out 94 bhp and 151 Nm of torque and comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox. The standard kit on the Thunderbird LT includes an ABS system, electronic self-cancelling indicators, and a tank-mounted instrument cluster, which integrates a speedometer, an onboard computer, and a rev counter. Launched mainly targeting the US market to compete against the Harley Davidson lineups, the Triumph Thunderbird also competes with other premium cruisers like the Suzuki M1800R, Harley Davidson Fatboy, as well as the Indian Scout. The one you are seeing in our video is equipped with loads of accessories, a back tourer pack and the front fairing, and also it's equipped with a Vance & Hines exhaust system, and so this is the crazy exhaust note that it carries. The things that makes the Triumph Thunderbird LT stand out among others is its sheer road presence and its prestige quality with the chrome accents. One place where the Triumph Thunderbird LT excels is in its superior ride quality.
Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good.
I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is undoubtedly the best video of our channel. So share it maximum. It would be very much appreciated. So if you liked the video, then press the like button. If you didn't, then tell us what went wrong. And if you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents like this. So thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.